Hello and welcome to the flipped classroom with St Mark's High School. What we're looking at today is an Aimsir Chaite, which means the past tense. Our want is to know what the past tense is, to learn the irregular verbs, and to learn the rules of the past tense, including question and negative forms. If you could please write all these down, and just make your notes as you would normally in class, and then you can just replay them as you wish. So what is the past tense? Simply, anything that took place in the past tense. For example, I walked, I ran, I did, I spoke, etc., etc. So first of all, in Irish, what we need to look at are the irregular verbs, or the brithir nearreachta. The irregular verbs in Irish are such: I, to eat; chaite, to go; fai, to get; aber, to say; tor, to give; tar, to come; fake, to see; clush, to hear; jan, to make or do; bear, to catch or give birth to. And probably the most common one is be, the verb to be. So how do we put them in the past tense? With the irregular, we just have to learn them because they don't normally follow the rules. I, for example, eritu, did you eat? G me, near I me. Che, question, and yahitu, did you go? Hui me, I went; ni yahi me, I did not go. Fai, to get, and were to, did you get? Fur me, I got; ni were me, I did not get. Aber, to say, and nurch to, did you say? Dirch me, I said; ni gurch me, I did not say. Tor, to give, hug to, did you give? Hug me, I gave; near hug me, I did not give. Tar, to come, hanig to, did you come? Hanig me, I came; near hanig me, I did not come. Fake, verb to see, and waka to, did you see? Honig me, I saw; niaka me, I did not see. Clush, to hear, hula to, did you hear? Hula me, I heard; near hula me, I did not hear. Jan, to make or do, and yarna to, did you make, did you do? Rin me, I did, I made; or ni yarna me, I did not do, I did not make. Bear, to catch or give birth to. Rug to, did you catch? Rug me, I caught; near rug me, I did not catch. And finally the verb to be. And ro to, were you? Vi me, I was; ni ro me, I was not. Here are some examples of using it in sentences. And were to cup and tea, did you get a cup of tea? Fur me, or ni were me. Another example. And ro to sa geltacht, were you in the geltacht? Vi me, ni ro me. For all the verbs outside of the irregular verbs, we look at the three following rules. Verbs beginning with consonants, verbs beginning with a vowel, and verbs beginning with F. So if a verb begins with a consonant, we aspirate it, we put a H. So for example, mull becomes wulme in the past tense, I praised. There are some exceptions to this rule, however. You cannot aspirate HLNR as PSCST, and there's a wee rhyme to remind you of that. He likes noodles and rice and spicy scallion stew. Verb begins with a vowel, we put a D apostrophe before it. Ol becomes dolme. Finally, if a verb begins with an F, we do the both. We put a D apostrophe before it, and then we aspirate the H, so it becomes D apostrophe FH. So for example, fan, to stay; dan me, I stayed. So here's some examples. Tog, how do you put that in the past tense? Hog me. Cur, hur me. Scarch, stays the same. Did you remember? Spicy scallion stew. Oscal, to open. Doscal me. E. Remember, it's an irregular verb. G me. E actually stays the same in the past tense. It follows the same rules. It's in the future tense that it shows its irregularity. Fag, to leave. Dag me. Fos. Das me. I grew. With questions in the negative, here are the ways that you put the normal verbs into the past tense. So, is the question and near is the negative. Consonants, they both aspirate. Vowels, they don't change. And F, they aspirate. So here's some examples. Kite. Chaite to interrogate, did you spend the money? Chaite me, near chaite me. Oskel. Oskel to, did you open? Doskel me, near oskel me. No change. And fan. An to sawala, did you stay at the home? Dan me, I stayed near an me. So, if you go through this presentation as many times as you need, write the notes using the presentation and then revise them, and we'll practice, we'll do all the practice activities in class. Why are we doing this? Give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach him how to fish, feed him for life. Hopefully by learning the rules of the past tense, you'll be able to take any verb and put it straight into the past tense. If you need any help or any assistance, send me an email. Good morning.